Thank you for joining Pioneer Library System. I'm Chris, STEAM Specialist at Norman Central. In this episode of Librarians Will Eat Anything, we're going to be taking advantage of some of the local wild berries featured in the landscaping here around the Norman Central branch. The designers incorporated a number of native species into the surroundings here, including the Chokeberry Bush, whose berries are coming into season now. This is a Chokeberry Bush. And this is a chokeberry. Scientifically, it's called an aronia berry, so if you want to actually get people to eat your jam, you might want to use that name instead. This video was Circulation Manager Nancy's idea, so she volunteered to help pick the berries. The problem with chokeberries is, well, they don't exactly taste good right off the vine. So I consulted with a few of the cookbooks we have here at the library and settled on making a chokeberry jam. If you add enough sugar, just about everything tastes good. Now, none of the books here had a recipe for chokeberry jam, but I did find one for spicy cranberry jam in Madeline Bullwinkle's book Artisanal Preserves, available on Hoopla and included with your Pioneer Library card. Cranberries and chokeberries share a similar astringency when you eat them raw, so this seems like a good starting place. Making jam is really easy. I'm going to pick over the berries to remove any stray stems until I have about 4 cups of berries. Then add those berries, 1 cup of sugar, and a half a cup of water to a pan and bring it to a boil. I'll also add a pinch of salt. Simmer for an hour or two until it thickens a bit and the berries start to break down. I like to mash some of them against the side of the bowl with a spoon to speed this process up. Add 1½ teaspoons of pectin to help it thicken up. Simmer a couple more minutes, then take it off the heat. If you're going to refrigerate it or eat it right away, pour it into a container and you're done. If you want to can it, Bullwinkle's book explains that process as well. Let's see if I can get my colleagues to eat it. I'll bribe them by baking a loaf of fresh bread to put it on.
Really like a dry wine.
That's really good. It's very good. It's pretty sour.
That's really good.
Tart. Very tart.
It doesn't taste like any other kind of berry, really, does it?
It actually tastes a little like grape. A little bit of a cranberry tang to it or something. Oh, that is really good. The bread's really good. And it's not too sweet. Very good.
So that was aronia berry jam, using the berries from just outside the building here at Norman Library Central. Do you have chokeberry bushes? What do you do with them? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, like and share below.